This video explains how to use the Sky TVs downstairs. So we are currently in the lounge. You'll need to use the Sky TV remote. Now to turn on the television, you just need to hold down this power button at the top left and you'll see that the television flashes at the bottom and then will start up. To turn on the box of the Sky remote, you just push this button just here, just once, and a green light will come on the box and you'll see it all start up. So if you haven't used Sky before, find you have a Sky button at the top and you just push that and that will go through to your most recent. You can then just scroll down and you can continue shows, see what's ever scheduled and go from there. Now to go to your guide, just push the home button, which is this button here. And then again, you can scroll down here to the TV guide and then you just use the arrows here to scroll. So you can see, you can get all channels, you can select HD channels, +1, documentaries, kids, movies. So here you have the complete movie package. So you have all the movie channels. So we've gone all out on this. You have all the sports channels as well. So you have Sky football, cricket, golf, Formula 1. You even have Eurosport, BT Sports. You have everything that you could possibly want at this place. You can scroll through to entertainment. So that's where you may find, music channels, other entertainment channels. Pretty much everything you could want is on here. There's also, if you go back here to apps, there's also Netflix on here. So to get here, you can go to apps, to Netflix, or if you wish to choose, you can actually push this microphone button here and we can say Netflix. What will happen then? It will go straight to Netflix account and then you just push the OK button, which is this center button here, and it will go into your Netflix account that you have here. To exit out of this, just push the home button again and that'll take you back. To turn off the television, just push the power button here, long press, and that will turn off the television. And then if you just push it just gently once, it will turn off the Sky box. And that's how to use the Sky television downstairs.